They say the gods once sculpted a piece of paradise from the heart of the Pacific, an island so perfect that it feels like a dream. Emerald mountains rising from a sea of turquoise, waterfalls hidden in the jungle, and lagoons glowing like liquid light. This place is Moorea, the magical sister island of Tahiti, a land where time slows down, where every breeze carries a whisper of ancient legends, and where the boundary between dream and reality begins to blur. From the moment you sail across the shimmering waters from Tahiti, Moorea reveals itself like a vision. Its jagged volcanic peaks tower above the clouds, carved into shapes so dramatic they feel otherworldly. Cook's Bay and Opunohu Bay stretch out like arms of welcome, tranquil, pristine, and breathtaking. Moorea is embraced by one of the most spectacular lagoons on Earth. Shades of blue, so endless they defy description. Turquoise shallows blending into deep sapphire seas. Here, coral gardens bloom beneath the waves. Home to manta rays, gentle sharks, and clouds of tropical fish that shimmer like living jewels. And floating above it all, the iconic overwater bungalows where you can wake up to the sunrise painting the lagoon gold. Beyond the beaches lies Moorea's beating heart, its lush green valleys. Pineapple plantations stretch across the hills, filling the air with sweetness. Jungles hide sacred waterfalls, cascading into pools where travelers pause to feel the island's magic wash over them. Mount Rotui stands tall, its ridges wrapped in mystery, a place of ancient Polynesian legends. The island is not just beautiful, it's alive with stories that have been passed down for centuries. The people of Moorea live with a deep respect for the land and sea. Here, Polynesian traditions are alive, in the rhythm of the drums, in the graceful dance of the Ori Tahiti, and in the fragrant flowers that crown every gathering. Hospitality is not a gesture, it's a way of life. When you arrive in Moorea, you are not just a guest, you are part of the family. And as day gives way to night, the island unveils its greatest gift, the sunset. The lagoon turns into a mirror of fire and gold, while the mountains become silhouettes against the sky. It is in these quiet, timeless moments that Moorea whispers her truth. That paradise is not just a place. It is a feeling, a memory, a dream you carry with you forever. Moorea, French Polynesia, the island of eternal dreams. A place where the ocean sings, where mountains tell stories, and where every step feels like walking through a legend. If you've ever dreamed of paradise, let Moorea be your guide. And if you wish to wander with us through more dreamlike worlds, don't forget to subscribe, because our journey to the most magical places on Earth is only just beginning.